This is the bell tower on Dog Point bed and breakfast, and it's in Marlborough, New Zealand. This little house here is the French barn, and that's where I'll be staying for 3 evenings. Surrounded by vineyards. Here's this beautiful space. There's 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms in here. Fully stocked fridge. Here's one of the bedrooms. One of the bathrooms. Wow, New Zealand has certainly been amazing. And here's the bedroom that I think I'll be sleeping in. Haven't decided which one. Another bathroom in there. I think I'm going to be very comfortable. Bye. The bell tower on Dog Point.